In this video, you will learn how to enable wireless LAN 0 for Wi-Fi connection in Kali Linux. Without taking much time, let's just get right into it. Alright, if I take my cursor to this section and click, you will see that WLAN 0 is not connected. You have only wired connection, you have disconnect option, and you have VPN connection. So let's see how we're going to connect through the WLAN 0. Okay, launch your terminal emulator by taking your cursor to this and click. Once you click, you will have an interface that looks like this. Then type iwconfig, okay, config. You can see that iwconfig. After that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. All right, you can see no wireless extensions, no wireless extensions, okay? So Ethernet 80 and L0, all right? So let's see further steps you have to take. All right, the next step is to launch a web browser. And here we are using the default web browser, that's Firefox. So click on it. As the browser opens, you may find yourself on an interface that looks like this. Click into the search bar area, the address bar area, okay? Click there and remove everything here. Type this, which is download compact-wireless Kali Linux index of sources, all right? Once you finish typing this, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. This will return some search results in respect to the query we entered. Click on this first link, okay, which points at OpenWRT. This will display some information on the web page, but these informations are just too tiny to my liking. So first, let's zoom this so that you see more, okay, see them bolder. So click on these three lines here. Then get to this zoom section and start clicking on this plus sign until you are satisfied with how bold the information is. Okay, let's leave it at 150, all right, percent. So then after that, take a look here and select this information, find on page, okay, click there. Now, a section will open at this bottom part for you to search for specific information. Just type 2010 06 28. All right. This is what we need in this case. All right. So it searches this web page to find out a specific part of this page where this is stated. So let's click on this and wait for it to download. And the downloading is completed. Now that this file has been downloaded, let's get into the downloads folder for our PC, all right, and extract it. So take your cursor to this place where you have Home Kali and click, all right, then select Open Folder. As you landed on the Kali Home, click on Downloads. So see Downloads here, I'll click on it. So look at the file we just downloaded here. So click on it once, then right click and select the option to extract here. Okay, look at it here. So click on it. Okay, this is now extracted. All right, take a look at it here. So here is no longer zipped. All right, so we can easily open it and have access to what is inside. So let's get back here. Okay, so let's take further steps. All right, now that the file has been extracted, let's open our terminal emulator. So take your cursor here and click. All right, and as this page opens, type sudo space su. All right, you can see that sudo su. Press the enter key of your computer keyboard. This requests the password you use in accessing the terminal emulator or your Kali Linux. Just type it, okay? It will not show on the screen. So once you type it in, just press the enter key again. All right, so this will take you to this page after a few seconds. All right, it will take you to this section again. Then the next step you need to take is to quote the location where that application file was extracted in. All right, as you can see, it is in downloads. So type cd downloads. All right, downloads. Okay, cd downloads. After that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. The next step is to type ls and press the enter key of your computer keyboard. Okay, take a look at what is here. We have OneDrive and we have this Compat. All right. So what it means is that this has fetched two files that are in this particular downloads folder. All right. But we don't want to execute both of them. Okay. The only one we want to execute is this one here, Compat-wireless 2010 06-28. So we're going to copy it. So carefully copy this file, which is where we are interested in. All right. Then after that, right click and select copy selection. Okay. Then come down to this section and type cd space, then right click and paste, select the paste clipboard. All right, you can see we have now pasted this particular file. All right, cd space, then quote the file name, and after that press enter. Type ls and press enter. The next step is to type make, all right, space unload, and then sorry, I made a mistake here, unload, then press the enter key of your computer keyboard. The next command is make space load. Okay, we initially typed unload and now make space load, then press enter. So wait for everything to load. With this last command, we are done with everything. So if I take my cursor here and click, all right, you will see we have Wi-Fi network WLAN 0. All right, it was not there in initial time, but here we have these options. Let's test something out for confirmation. Let's type iwconfig, all right, iwconfig and press enter. So you can see we have this WLAN 0 showing details and WLAN 1 showing details. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.